Welcome back. The neighbor that was renting some space from us ended up moving his equipment out. His time was up for the rental agreement that we had, and we needed the extra space because we are doing some big projects here on the farm. So that's what we got. We got a lot more space here now, so we're gonna be looking forward to utilizing this space by adding some more animals to the farm, and we're gonna expand this compost system that we've got going here. The chickens are gonna have more room to move around, and we're gonna have more room to work. So it's really gonna be great. In case you hadn't noticed, we did upgrade our gear a little bit. We've got a new microphone for the GoPro, and I've got a new handle here to hold the camera. So hopefully the production quality will be getting a little bit better. Okay, so we've got some nice, clean, crystal clear water flowing through the creek. I don't notice any major issues, so that's really good. That's what we're looking for here. Probably gonna take some time to get used to this new gear, but bear with me and I'm sure it'll be beneficial. So I wanted to take a moment to thank some people. I've recently had a few friends come forward and they have provided an enormous amount of support to the farm and to our future ventures, and I just wanted to say thank you to those people. I think that they want to remain anonymous, but there are people behind the scenes here at Indigo Springs that are really making some moves and making things happen for us. So it's not just, you know, what you see on camera. There's a lot going on behind the scenes, and I just wanted to say thank you to my friends. With that, we're gonna be able to do a little bit more sooner than we thought. So I am going to order a new chicken tractor offline that's gonna be a little bit easier to build. I won't have to buy the lumber and have to, you know, measure everything out and build it myself. Unfortunately, lumber's a little bit high right now, and this geodesic dome chicken coop that I found online is a little bit easier to put together than, you know, typical boards and screws. Not that I can't do that, it's just, you know, this system is gonna be working a little bit easier for us, and I really like the way that it looks. So we're gonna order that today. Hopefully that'll come within the next couple weeks, and then we can put it together, because before long it's gonna be spring and we are going to be ordering meat birds and doing a lot of stuff on the farm. And that chicken coop that will be able to move around anywhere we go on the farm is gonna be extremely beneficial to some of the systems that we're gonna be implementing in this coming year. The weather's finally starting to warm up, so the progress really should start picking up here on the farm quite a bit. We're really looking forward to it. This whole next week that we don't have any rain in the forecast so far. So hopefully in the next week, we're gonna be able to get a whole lot of progress done on the garden beds and getting everything in place, ready for the new chickens and the new animals that we're gonna be bringing onto the farm this year. All right, so we're gonna add that new bedding into the coop, so that way we're adding to our overall compost. This bedding will spend a couple weeks in the coop, and then eventually it'll end up on the central pile. Then after that, it will go out onto the gardens. All right, well, we got it spread most of the way. They'll actually go ahead and spread the rest of it over the next few days. They'll get it all moved around in here.